I am debating, guys, if I am going to the house. Let's see.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hello guys, good morning! It is 9th of January, right, hon? January 9th. Let me see. January, Monday today, right? Oh, no. Tomorrow is Monday? Oh, today is Monday 9. We just came back from dropping her off. What kind of donut is that? Huh?
I left the everything little one. I left everything one. I left for you.
Why? If you like it, go ahead. You can cut mine too. If you're cutting it.
Want to toast it?
Huh?
Want to toast it?
Yes. What kind do you have over there?
That one?
No, just let me know. They're all the same.
No. This is oat.
The oat.
Wheat and oat. There's two of oat and one of these.
I'm gonna have that.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. Thanks, baby boy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have coffee too, guys. It's freezing outside, as in it's freezing outside. You guys, I feed you with tuna. What do you want in my life? Tuna. I give you tuna. And Tommy, do you want some tea? He's still not feeling good, guys. He is really sick. It's always happen like this the weather change. When the winter is getting worse, Tommy.
What do you don't want to eat? You should feed you with toenails. I don't know, toenails.
Oh, salmon, oi!
Oh, I do eat with toenails.
Ha, toenails, son. Why is it toenails? Are you kidding me? That's gonna kill your kid.
Hey, toenails.
And I said tuna, and then Tommy heard toenails.
I didn't hear toenails. I just changed the toenails.
Yeah, because you always change everything in the song. You make it so funny. Yeah, the song, guys, he make it so funny. Like a nice lyrics, he make it worse. It's a fun like a cat eating cat, kitten. What is that? The song? That the funny song about kitten. I love that song. Yeah, the cat in the kettle. Okay, my husband gave me bagel, and this is the bagel right here. He put a lot of butter, guys. I can. And today is Monday, and then I'm planning to go upstate. I'm planning to go to.
No, it's not the same.
Wait, GTE son is the regular garbage tomorrow.
And paper. So
No.
You combing paper next week, combing one week?
It's still tomorrow?
No, it's not trash. Garbage and paper. See, this used to be PCPC.
Ah.
Now it's garbage and trash, and then garbage and paper.
Okay, so you have to really, it's different every week.
Right.
So tomorrow is a regular. Get down, Hobbs. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have my bagel and enjoy this and listen to the news. Because I'm planning to go to our house, and I look at the camera and there's a lot of snow, and then we don't shovel or anything over there. So I'm afraid if I'm gonna drive over there and I can't go to the driveway. The driveway is long. I don't know if you notice it, and the driveway is really long, and I don't know if I can get through the driveway if it's not shoveled. And I hope it's going to melt tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm planning to go there. Not today, so I decided not to go today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Tommy doesn't know that I decided to do it tomorrow. Of course he knows now because he heard me. Okay, guys, I am going to try to do this toy inside the house. I can't do it outside because it's wet. I mean, it's not wet, it's just snow out there. And so I'm gonna try this out, and let's see if I use the remote control and if I can do it. I hope I won't crash it somewhere, because the house is a lot of stuff. And let me see, where is that? It's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, huh?
We'll take 2 more out of the box. Take 2 more out of the battery box.
They give you only
No, they
for...
give you, no, they give you the rechargeable. They give
careful, my camera, honey.
Look.
That's not rechargeable. There is another one over here. This is rechargeable too. 4 pieces only. If there's any extra there that is not rechargeable, 2 extra.
These are rechargeable.
AAA. Oh no, it's AA. I'll be right back.
You're using the wrong ones, hon.
Huh?
You're using the rechargeable ones.
I did?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna use?
You need regular ones because these aren't charged.
Yeah. So what is that? It's all rechargeable? All the battery that they give us?
Those are rechargeable. I don't know if these are. Watch these tactiles and stuff on it.
Okay,
Bite it.
where's the on button?
Jump at it. That's it. Save it on the phone. So you got unbutton it.
Why is that working? Hobbs. Are you nosy, Habty Bug? Oh, you're being nosy, Bug. Oi, honey, honey, oi. Honey. I cut my finger
And you grab the spinning blades. What's wrong with that idea?
because I come to my face. I don't know how to drive that, guys. And the dog is very scared. Hi guys, I just get out from the shower. Well, I don't wash my hair because I'm going out and I don't wanna brush my dry my hair, do this, do that. Anyway, I just do have, you know me, if you know me, you're afraid of water. Because I'm going to grocery, I'm gonna get something for the house, for here, because we don't have stuff like bread. My mother-in-law need bread. Okay, I'm going to check what we need. Okay, milk, bread, and creamer, and what else we have? I'm gonna try the car mount. Let me see. I thought it's a cat, but it's my freaking boots. This one, oh my god, the cat's down here. Kunin ko lang yung car mount here in my car, and I can transfer it to the small car. Okay, it smells good, car. You smells good, but you need some polish. Oh my god, even the seat is frozen. I wanna try to mount my camera to the other car that I can. It's very icy, guys. Ice, baby. Okay, you guys go inside. Roxy, go in. I won't. Go inside. Misty, in. Good girl, Roxy. Hide under the table already, guys. She really thought that every time I wear a coat and a shoes, she knows that's her timailhan. Yun ang iyang timailhan, guys. Yun ang timailhan. Yun ang limitation. Timailhan, guys. Timailhan, you know. Timailhan. Got it? Got it? I kinda need this for to hang the camera, because if ever the camera give up, like the mount, and then the camera won't drop in the floor and it's just hanging in the mirror, because I don't really want to ruin my camera, guys. I will see you later, guys, in the car. I'm gonna see you in the car. I will try to film, you know, it's not really far distance, it's just very close to our house, the grocery store. And I think it's recorded now, guys. Hold on. I do put it upside down because that's the only way I can do it. Where are going? My phone. Okay, let's go. I am debating, guys, if I am going to the house, because I don't know, it's just kind of, I'm still thinking. Obviously we don't shovel over there because we're not up there. It's nice to vlog when you're driving and you are not like holding the camera, you just put the camera there. So for sure the snow over there is crazy, and probably it's ice because it's colder up there than here, and it's already cold in here. So you know, upstate New York is always like very on top of everything, you know, the mountain. Okay, I'm here, guys. I get home and Tommy, I think, is still in the shower. Yeah, he's still in the shower, guys. I will show you what I got from the grocery. It's not a lot. I put big frozen mix of vegetables in the freezer already downstairs. 2 packs of chicken thighs. I'm gonna make this tonight. This one for Tommy and her. This is the lamb shoulder chops product of Australia. It's a lamb. And 3 dozen of eggs. And also I got eggplant, Brussels sprouts that I'm going to make also. And what else? Tommy loves Brussels sprouts, and her, everybody loves Brussels sprouts actually. And bread, and another challah bread, 2 Italian sesame seeds bread. I got bok choy, guys. Pichay, oh my god, bok choy pa more. Anyway, I'm gonna start editing while waiting for Tommy. I'm going to do that, and I thought Tommy is going to Manhattan today, but I guess not. He is not going to. Hi guys, I am editing the video right now. I still can't decide, guys, if I'm going or what. Itong bra na to, guys, honest to goodness, I can't throw it out. Even though it's like falling down. London Bridge is falling down. I used to with Tommy all the time to go up there, and this time he can't go with me and stuff like that. So, but it feels so weird. I don't know. It's like weird that I'm going up there, that he can't, I don't know. And also I'm worried about the snow up there in our driveway, and at the same time feeling weird that he's not gonna be with me. You're sick looking, baby. He's not really feeling good. I'm not gonna show you because he is like grouchy. He's not grouchy, it's just like his eyes, guys. It's been happening for a long time that his eyes is red. Oh my god, I see he's making grilled cheese and I see some bacon bits in there. Are you kidding me, honey? No, no, honey. Oh my god, you know what he put? Cheese, 2 different kind of cheese, 2 bread side by side, and then I see bacon bits. I can see it coming out. Is it good? Ah, it seems like a sandwich, guys, with a whole bacon in it.
This is a sandwich.
Yeah, but now I get it. That most of the sandwich you put bacon, the whole bacon, right? This one crumbled. Almost 2 o'clock. And the sick guy having a flu. He was really tired, guys. Tired and not feeling great. Yep.
You know you still owe me. McFadden's the blonde.
The thing is, there's no couch over here for him to lie down.
If anyone knows what's going on,
You wanna lie down now?
why he does.
Hmm? Hmm?
You know Indonesia is the 3rd largest
Baby.
democracy after India and the US.
You wanna lie down now?
Crazy homegrown.
Why don't you go lie down in bed?
I wouldn't want you
I'll
jumping
go
out there
with you.
if I with you, bumped it.
I'll massage you upstairs.
Apology accepted.
Hmm?
Now what can I do for you?
Could there be a Jamaat?
The mission is to create a fund.
I can't go upstate, guys. I can't leave him.
Captain, there's no evidence that Jamaat is...
And we went to Wendy's, and that's what we have for lunch.
She's so awesome.
Lipoflavonoid. ENTs consider it to be the most effective over-the-counter solution to reduce ear ringing.
He looks so tired. Hi guys, now I'm making some, I'm sauteing, I'm doing stir fry, eggplant, and a bok choy. Simple lang guys. At saka maraming garlic. And then the bouillon right here. I already boiled the Brussels sprouts. And then I soaked it with cold water that will stop cooking. Right here. Now, inad ko lang yung ng dahon. Para lang pagkain ng baboy, guys. It's a pig food. Hello, guys. It is 7 o'clock already. Do you wanna go out, Rox? It's 6:54 in the evening. Behave, huh? So, right now, guys, I am making some Brussels sprouts. Wanna see? Brussels sprout cheese. I don't know if you can see properly, but yeah. I think I'm gonna make a video how to make this. And here's the talong eggplant. Yun lang, and then this is very quick. This is quick. I'm just gonna fry it. I think this is almost done. I think Look, hindi pa tapos yung ini-edit ko, guys. So, I'm just gonna edit that up here. And I will see you later, guys. And I will upload it that you guys can see it today and tomorrow. So anyway, guys, good night, guys. Thank you all guys so much for watching. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye! Come here, Bug. She want you to get the treats. And then she'll come in here. I told you. Good night.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. Bye! Night! Don't help me, Rock. Are you helping, Mama? Yes, she's helping me. Look.